Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about some other methods of JavaScript string. So probably I will discuss slice, substring, and substring with substr method. So basically in slice we are giving the start index and end index. For substring is almost same. We are giving the start and end index. For substring with the sub str we are giving start and length actually. So let's see how it will work. So I already show you how slice will work, right? So slice. So here if I'm running my code, the result is -1 because I am giving a higher start index, so it's not giving the right result right now. Right now I am running again. So right now I got the substring from actually my actual string is x, so it took substring from that the first position and until the third position. So this one is 0 index, this one is first index. So first index, this one is second index, and this one is third index. So until text, until third index, we got the result right now. So I'm going to use the same for substring. So I told you substring is almost same. So let's see what we will get right now. I'm just changing into that, running my code. Yeah, almost same. So if I am giving a higher result, higher index, not result, you can see there is a difference here. Run code. Yeah, in this case I am not getting anything. In substring I am getting something. So I given 12 and 3, then index 3. So what exactly I got is TS. So TS where it's exactly coming 0, 1, 2, 3. It's starting in 3, 4, 5. So actually it started in 3 actually. So if I am giving a 4 here, what's gonna happen? So right now I got this one. So it's starting at this one, fourth one. So in substring, uh, even if it is a start index is not found, it will return based on the end index. So that's the difference between slice and substring. And the other method that we need to go through is substring. That's the important one actually. So substr. Okay, so substr, what is going to happen with the 12? It will not give any result because 12 index is not available for the beginning. So right now I got the length is 4 and the starting is 1. So we got the result right now for substring. So there is a exact difference between slice, substrings, and substr. And next we will go to also one more difference is there. Yes, substring will not accept negative index. So if I'm just giving a slice -4, what's gonna happen? Run my code here. It's print something. So it's start in S. What is the index of S? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. But I given a -4 index. So probably 1, -1, -2, -3, -4. So it's S. Yeah, that's why it's printing S. So in slice it will accept negative index, but in substring it will not accept. So if I am giving us -1 here, -4 here, what's gonna happen? Run code. Here I got yes. Here I got different one. It's taken from 0 right now and until 3. It's not accepting minus. So that's where it works. And another one we are going to discuss about replace. Replace, it's simple, nothing to worry about. Just I'm printing the result right now. I'm not going for the result. I need to replace that. So that replace, inside that replace method, I will mention what I need to replace. So I'm going to replace my t with something else. So what's going to happen here? Run code. So it's print that one. So basically, and if I'm going to change my all the occurrence of that one will change. So we have no only the first occurrence of that change. Since I'm just changing the s, I have two s here, but it only changed one s to the t. So I got the result right now. So that's where replace is working. Only take the first match by default. Otherwise, you need to mention. You need to give regular expression in that case. Otherwise, you need to give the regular expression. So that's all about some of the methods, and we have some more methods we will discuss on next